Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Peggy from One Pier Court and I am so glad that you are here. Today's video will be about a task that I'm not so thrilled about doing, but one that I must. I'm sure some of you can probably relate to it. So the title of the video is Places We Sometimes Forget to Clean. I don't know if it's we forget to clean, maybe one of those places that we would rather not clean. Not like we don't want it clean, but we don't want to, we kind of put it off, like maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow or something. We're always putting it off because it's not one of those like easy tasks. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right to it. So the first place we'll be tackling will be behind this fridge. You know when you sweep, sometimes some of the dirt just accidentally gets under the fridge and kind of just piles up. So brace yourselves. Let's see what we'll find behind my fridge. So let's get into it. So here your girl is struggling to pull this fridge out, and one eternity later, finally did it. So let's see what's behind here. Not too bad, you know. Look at all that dirt. So let's get to cleaning it right now, okay? Let's clean it up. And what do we have here? Pencils. I mean, how does that even get behind the fridge? Like how? Okay, so I've heard great and marvelous things about this mop and I wanted to test it for myself. It was actually on sale and yeah, let's unbox it together. So it's essentially a spin mop and bucket system, and I understand that it's safe on all hardwood surfaces. So I'll just snap the spin mop head on, and essentially the bucket system has is separated, so you've got the dirty water on one side and the clean water on the other side, and the foot activated pedal allows you to wring out as much water from the microfiber mop head as possible. And you can also clean it with ordinary water, which is what I'm doing right here. And my floors are actually clean with just plain water. It's amazing. Okay, let's not forget the top of the fridge. Let's get on there. Come along with me. Well, it's not looking too bad. Just a few of my children's creations that found its way on top of my fridge, and a bit of dust here and there. So yeah, let's just get to it and just wipe everything clean. Oh, the wonderful things we find behind the fridge, like toy cars. These kids, oh boy. And that's all clean, and let's move on to the next thing that we sometimes forget to clean, and which is behind the stove. So my gas stove isn't completely flushed with cabinets, So every now and then dirt kind of just gets trapped in between and I can see it, but my broom can reach it. So that bothers me a great deal. So here I am pulling this out and yeah, it doesn't look too bad, but that needs to be cleaned. So just get my broom in there and take care of all that dirt that has accumulated. Look at all that dirt. And to think that I clean that all the time and still see how I still have all that dirt from deep cleaning. So yeah, it's all clean. Woohoo! Love the look now, and we can put it back. Now let's pull these knobs out and see what we'll find behind there. Ew, look at all that grossness. Oh boy. Oh, and more. It's amazing kind of dirt that just accumulates underneath all these knobs. So let's just give it a good wipe and clean. Oh my goodness, guys, do you see how filthy this microfiber cloth is? Oh boy. Okay, now let's get in and clean up inside. And it's looking all good. Yay, love, love, love. Okay, and the final thing that we sometimes forget to clean is our brooms and dustpans. And look at up close, look at how filthy that is. So we'll start up by just getting all the debris and hair from our brooms. And yeah, we just warm water solution with soap and just kind of give it a good swish in there. And we'll just wash our dustpan outside. Okay, now I'm going to confess that since I purchased this broom and dustpan, I have never cleaned them. So don't be like me. I know that's so gross. Don't be like me. Clean yours, people, okay? That is just so gross. And that concludes this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it and you're inspired to tackle these areas that we sometimes forget to clean. Let me know in the comment section if you clean these areas regularly. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. All right, cheers, guys.